Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, it's been a while but I just want to share this haul to you. So, medyo haggard ang vibe natin ngayon because I just got back here at the hotel from Disney on Ice. So, yes, it was actually at Mall of Asia and malapit lang naman yung hotel na nabook ko. So, naglakad lang talaga ako. So, anyway, going back to the content of this video, I just want to share this haul to you because I just found out that KKV is actually here at the Philippines. Actually, hindi ako sure kung meron nito sa other parts ng Philippines. Pero yun, this is actually the first time that I saw KKV. And actually, nagtataka ako kasi ba't maraming naka-paper bag na ganda. So, they actually opened at Mall of Asia. So, if you're asking what is KKV, KKV is like Miniso, Mumuso. So they actually sell different kinds of goods. So it's actually perfect if you're finding a gift for someone kasi meron silang blind box, yan, marami sila noon. Food, drinks, makeup, anything under the sun, meron sila doon. Meron din sila mga bath bombs, shampoo, conditioner, lotion. Yan, super okay siya. So, the very first time that I saw KKV was actually when I was in Indonesia. So, ang nabili ko doon was a blind box. So, it's so fun kasi meron na siya dito. So, if you are wondering where it is located, it's actually at Mall of Asia. I'm just gonna find out which floor. So, specific yan. So, eto siya. So, KKV. So, this is just a quick haul kasi pauwi na ako nito and pa-close na rin sila. Good thing medyo na-extend sila kasi sobrang daming tao and I just saw it's like kaka-open lang. So, yun. I actually have 867 siya. To be honest, medyo mura siya on some items, but of course some items medyo mahal din siya, especially the blind box. But guys, if you are into blind box, magaganda siya because it's not the usual blind box that you see at the Pop Mart. Mas marami siyang magagandang toys talaga. And I was so happy na hindi ako nabudol this time, but actually nabudol ako sa ibang gamit. But anyway, so let's do a quick haul. Ayan. So, the very first thing is, yellow ako ngayon. So, here's another yellow. So, this one, I told you guys. So, meron silang drinks. This is actually originated from China. Don't worry guys, kasi, di ba, wala siyang, translation. Meron man silang nakalagay na sticker na naka-translate siya into English. So, nandito rin yung product name, manufacturer, origin, and so on and so forth. So this one is actually a Kaman orange lemon mixed juice. So this is water, grape juice concentrated, pear juice concentrated, orange, and lemon juice. Ayan. So you just need to read it because yung iba kasi doon is made of sugar, ganyan. So this one is based on the ingredients. So medyo healthy siya. So I will try this one. So another thing is this. So nasa food aspect tayo ngayon. So I found this Magic Ice Pop Pudding Jelly. So it has a strawberry flavor. So as a pudding girl, I need to try this. So it's actually said to enjoy it frozen. So better froze it. So I will try this one. So medyo jelly pa siya kasi hindi siya nakalagay sa ref nila. But nakalagay siya is from pudding jelly to be amazing ice popped, only 6 hours in frozen. Okay, 6 hours pala siya. So next haul, this is actually for kids and kids at heart. This is a Lego. So ayan, this is a static building blocks toy. So ang cute niya kasi it's an astronaut with a moon. O diba? Ayan. Okay, so I just found out na naputol pala yung video kanina. So, this is the last video that I saw na hinuhaul ko. But guys, this is actually a building block. So, this is actually good if you're going to give it to kids and kids at heart. But make sure they are actually 8 years old and above kasi super fun yung gawin. And, maganda kasi yung pinaghihirapan mo. Wow. So, actually, I bought it because of the design. Rare lang ako makakita nitong moon and astronaut. And it's so perfect because I love this too. So, they also have other designs kung gusto nyo, like helicopters, dinosaurs, ayan, super ganda niya. Actually, there's a lot of this kinds of toys sa KKV, and if you're into it, I highly suggest to go there because super daming building blocks, puzzles, blind box, and so on, toys there. Actually, I also saw um, Avengers, like yung mask, ang ganda niya, and yung mga figures. So, I highly suggest to go at KKV. Yeah. So, once I build this, I will share this with you guys. So, yan. And also, the next thing that I'm going to show you, this is actually the thing that dapat kong bibilihin lang. And hindi ko siya pinaplano because I don't want to buy anything. But when I saw this, I need to buy this. This is actually This is actually a wooden puzzle. So, this is the actual design. Drum kit siya. Super cool niya. Kasi, meron silang mga final output. And nung nakita ko siya, wow, gusto ko to. I think I like this one. So, yan. Ang ganda niya kasi gawin. Like, alam mo yun, hindi lang siya yung binibili mong like blind box, binubuksan mo lang siya. The thrill is gone when it's open. Pero ito kasi gagawin siya. So, it's actually made of wood siya, and super cool lang niya. As in, super cool lang niya. And it's actually the first time that I saw this kind of design. And if you're not into drums, meron din silang other designs. Actually, meron akong unang nakita. Like, I think it's a balloon. Parang ganun siya. Super ganda niya. Then actually, I saw this kasi nasa gilid siya. And I think a lot of people bought this one too. Kasi nung nakita ko to, konti na lang yung ano niya, quantity niya. So, I hope I could finish it sometime and I could share this to you guys. Yeah. So, I have 2 things to be done. Yung isa ko na kasi isa tapos ko na. So, yeah, I'm actually going back to my roots in building Lego. So, yeah. And so we have, as I told you, there's a lot of things you can buy at KKV. So the first batch that I gave a haul to you were drinks. Actually, they also have food and candies. And meron ding mga toys and anything. May mga pang-artist din. May mga pang-artist din yun and anything. And also, guys, they also have makeups. Yes. Nice siya. Actually, I found Ciza there. Ciza. I'm actually planning to buy something from that because ang ganda nung spray niya, setting spray niya. So, ang ganda rin ng mga compact powder niya. So, I will probably go back again and buy from there kasi yung nabili kong Ciza is actually from China din. So, diba, at least nandiyan na. I actually bought this one. Ayan. So, this is actually an RMT, Romantic Beauty. So, this is like a highlighter. I saw na there's actually nandito pala yung color niya kay 02 in eyeshadow. So since I have eyeshadow, ang gagawin lang dito is ilalagay siya dyan and ikakalat. So it's going to shimmer. So don't worry guys. Also like the food, meron din naman silang instruction because most of their things that they sell is from China. So wala silang direct translation, but they have like a sticker na naka-translate na siya. So this one, it's Romantic Beauty Chameleon Liquid Eyeshadow 2 Unhurriedly. So I wish it's like the purple one, but if it's not, it's okay. But yeah, there's direction for usage. Use the brush to take the appropriate amount of the highlights as needed. Sweep on the side of the face, brow bone, collarbone, etc. So yeah, this is like a highlighter. So I hope this works. So that's it guys for my current haul for KKV, and if you guys want to go there, I'm gonna give you the exact location of it, pero yan, it's around SM Mall of Asia lang naman. So guys, go check out KKV, and well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!